In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by going into Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, click on Files section. Now you can click on Audio at the top. To make it easier to look in recent files, access one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to open one of those sources. I will go with Downloads. After locating your audio file, you need to hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. In order to add a video one, tap on Gallery. Tap on your video right away over here. I will create a new one real quick. And select one of those options, Google Photos link or low quality video. Then hit Add at the top right corner. You can also tap on Gallery section instead and tap on your video over here. Then operate the same pop-up. Now select Add at the top right corner. Lastly, you can click on Gallery, then select Folders and look for your video the same way as an audio file. Lastly, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!